it's the glaze for me. Like, I am literally like sweating, and I love it. I love it. Hi guys, happy Saturday. Today I am off of work. Thank you. I have a 3-day weekend, thank God. But today we're going somewhere that we haven't been in a long time, so I wanted to take you guys with me. This is a necessity for me. I made it my business to get here today before I did anything else this morning. So yes, let's see where we're headed. Go ahead and put your seatbelt on, girl. Let's go. Just made it to the gym, and like I said, I haven't been here in so long. Like, I have no excuse really, but we're here today nevertheless. So let's get into our little spot. All right, so yes, y'all, we are here. We're about to get this good workout in. For those that were wondering, yes, you see I'm masked up. I have not been vaccinated yet. And yeah, COVID is still real. So I do wear my mask when I'm going inside the gym. And then the equipment, well, at least the last time I was here, the equipment was spaced out so you weren't near other people. So we're going to see what it's like today. But yes, this mask is coming with me, and y'all are too. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I have officially finished my first workout. When I leave the gym, I usually go home and finish up, whether it be like crunches, stretching, of course, or something else. But I'm done with the gym. It's been so long since I've been to the gym, y'all, like so long. If I was to go through my LA Fitness check-in and see the last date, it probably would be a date within the last like couple months, but it's probably gonna be like one day. Like, I have not been consistent at all. But I am officially trying to change that. So y'all see all this glaze on me. I like this glaze though. This glaze lets me know that I worked out today. This glaze lets me know that I burned some calories. It was a nice workout. I did 25 minutes on the treadmill. I only did 5 on the stepper, y'all. This day went back in, so I didn't want to overdo it, but we got it done. Well, I got it done. I hope you worked out today too, or plan to work out today. Staying healthy, getting fit. Oh, your girl needs some accountability partners, okay? Let me know down below if you want to be an accountability partner, virtual workout partner, whatever. It's the glaze for me. Like, I am literally like sweating, and I love it. I love it. I usually don't sweat that much, but this let me know I worked today, girl. All right, y'all, let's head home so we can get cleaned up and finish the rest of our day. I'm home from the gym. I'm feeling nice and refreshed, okay? So I did not eat before I went, so I'm about to make me a protein shake. So I just want to let you guys see what type I've been drinking. This is the protein that I have been drinking. This is the chocolate cake. I also have the blueberry muffin. Both are bomb. Y'all have heard me rave about Keto Lachey before, but she changed the game with this. 100% plant-based. I literally feel so guilty drinking this after I just worked out, but I know that it's 100% plant-based. I know that it does not have any like added sugars other than the peanut butter that I put in there. Y'all gonna start listening when I'm telling y'all stuff. Like, this stuff is so good, girl. Like, so good. Oh, I can't wait to try another flavor. Bye, y'all.